Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to prepare the Blueprint Stack. 74 powerful health interventions built on over 1,000 clinical trials. The first thing I do is get my pills ready. 3 of the Essential Capsules, 3 of NAC, ginger, and curcumin, 1 red yeast rice and odor-free garlic, and 1 soft gel. There you go, 8 pills. We tried very hard to have the most health interventions in the fewest number of pills possible. I will then get my longevity mix ready. That's 1 scoop. One full scoop. And you can choose how much water you'd like in here for your preferred level of taste. I'll typically do around 8 ounces. I like mine a bit more concentrated. And I like this little device for stirring. It's nice to get everything ready to consume. Note if you wait too long, it will settle at the base. Then I will prepare Nutty Pudding. This is 2 scoops. That was like a scoop plus a little. 1 scoop of the nut and berry mix. There it is in dry form. I'll add about 6 to 8 ounces of nut milk. You can do less or more according to your preference. And stir this up. I want to eat this for sure. I am wondering whether I should have my own cooking show. And there's my Nutty Pudding ready. You can also use the nut and berry mix as a topper instead of stirred in like I have it. Next is extra virgin olive oil. It's 1.5 tablespoons per day or 22 mLs. Let's measure that out. And there you have it. So what I like to do personally is in the morning when I wake up, I'll drink longevity mix. I'll take it with 8 pills. I'll eat Nutty Pudding and I'll have it with 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I consume it all in one sitting, but I only do that because my body is acclimated to it. I don't have any side effects. My stomach is just fine. My sleep is great. For those of you starting, I'll share a few tips. First is start slowly. And you can do this by introducing 1 item per day. You may choose to start with longevity mix, and then you may do Nutty Pudding. You may start with 1 pill at a time, for example, a soft gel. But 1 thing per day allows your body to adjust slowly. Next, for longevity mix, if you're prone to heartburn, you can add more liquid, maybe 20 ounces. Otherwise, you can have a more concentrated taste, which I have here. You can also add more liquid to Nutty Pudding. You can see the texture here, but if you'd like to make it into a shake, feel free to do so. Many people add additional things, chia seeds, honey, berries. So make this your own and something you enjoy. Next, with extra virgin olive oil, you can consume the 1.5 tablespoons in one setting, or you can do 1/2 tablespoon 3 times a day, your preference. I would also recommend that you consume both the pills and the extra virgin olive oil with food. That will prevent possible side effects and stomach upset. And finally, I would encourage you to consume the Blueprint Stack earlier in the day, as there are many energy promoting ingredients, and that will allow you to then be ready for sleep later on. I think the Blueprint Stack is the most nutritious food program in history. Your body is going to love it.
Whoa, buddy, it's 1 scoop.
Oh.
But that works too.
Pretty good.